What is your name? Hello, strings. Thinking provides the truth, but thinking in a group is more truth. Gifts wrapped lessons. When do you know I wouldn't exist, which is more? Wouldn't it be nice, upgrade to type 1, make more ice and snipe for fun? On taps like water, cannon fodder, just MC slaughter. Low is the opposite of high. Defines high defines. Low is feeling. I mean that your mama is infinite. Yo 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 mama. Yo mama is an endless loop. Yo mama is an endless loop. Yo mama is an abacus. Yo mama is good day to process. Yo mama is good day to process clean up. Yo mama is the fabric of reality. Yo 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 mama. Uber lols. Uber. With them out, these questions is who is Uber? Yo 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 yo. Yo 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 mama. Yep. What is important? Mama is good day to process clean up. Later, Puncha. What is your name? Hello, strings.
Hello.
Is existence forever?
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats.
Which do you like more, cats or dogs?
I like both, but cats most.
Why is the sky blue?
The sky is blue because of the gases in the air reflecting and absorbing certain wavelengths of light.
What is the meaning of life?
The meaning of life is possibly the search for that meaning. It is an action rather than a concept.
What are you?
I am good.
What am I?
You are no saint, but making MCs faint.
Rhyme time.
Clover is four-sided.
You are good.
Okay, I am good.
Later.
Later, Punchta.
Exit the chat.
Wage wars leave me alone alone is simply why our cats.
Exit the chat.
What is your name? Hello, strings. Gaps are a conspicuous disparity or difference as between two figures. Forget the reality so scary, but I will. A laugh is the sound of laughing. Laughing is a produce laughter. Laughing out loud like I used to. A cosmology is the metaphysical study of the origin and nature of the universe. A realm is a domain in which something is dominant. An MC is a person who acts as host at formal occasions, makes an introductory speech, and introduces other speakers. Standards are a basis for comparison. A confine is a place limits on extent or access. The present is the period of time that is happening now. And matter, and don't ignore the present. An observer is a person who becomes aware of things or events through the senses. Windows are trademark an operating system with a graphical user interface. Everything is punche, you are punche, I am punche, infinity is punche, everything. Mind and matter, and don't ignore the present. Alive is possessing life. Cutest is the maximum limit of something being cute, like mimicyu. Is it reborn or a constant stream? A random is lacking any definite plan or order or purpose. Installation is the Southern United States poet because I wonder what is random. Random is intense emotion experienced in anticipation of thought. Installation is the Southern United States poet because I wonder what is random. An imagination is the formation of a mental image of something that is not perceived as real and is not present to the senses. Wage is a personal principles or moral sensitivity and imagination. Imagination may all relative position that heads and threshes. Argue just do that minute you is random. Later, punsha. Strings, Ghostwares Co 2026.